Hopefully you didn't have too many problems with addition and subtraction, although working with decimals can sometimes be a little bit tricky. Also, I would really recommend you write out your method like this, so using column addition or column subtraction, because it just helps avoid making mistakes. 6 plus 7 then, we're going to add these together. 6 plus 7 is 13, carry the 1. Some people carry the top, some people carry the bottom, doesn't really matter. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13 again. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus the 1, 833. Question 2, where we've got addition again, but this time we've got some decimal positions to account for. Some people will put an extra digit there. This does not change the value of 95.6, but it does mean that we can align the digits nice and easily, and I'd recommend you do that. So 0 plus 7 is 7, 6 plus 9 is 5, so I've got to carry the 1, and importantly, carry down that decimal position as well. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus the 1 is 8, and then 9 plus, there's a 0 here, so 9 plus 0 is 9, so 98.57 for question 2. Question 3, we are now subtracting. 6 take away 7 is not the same as 7 take away 6, so I have to take a bigger number from a smaller number. Now this usually means that I'm going to use a borrowing method. There are different ways of doing this, but I'm going to show you the borrowing method. So to make this into a number that I can take 7 away from easily, I'm going to borrow 1 from the tens column. So this 5 becomes a 4, so I add the 10 onto the 6. So this 16 is now 16 take away 7, which is 9. 4 take away 7, well, again, I'm left with a bigger number coming from a smaller number, so I'm going to borrow this time from the hundreds column. So 14 take away 7 is 7, and then 4 take away 2 is 2. So 279 is the answer there. When I'm working with decimals, exactly the same principle. I can't take the 7 from the 6 nice and easily, so I'm going to borrow. So the 4 becomes a 3, and I borrow onto the 6. So 16 take away 7 is 9. Now don't forget your decimal point. 3 take away 1 is 2, and 5 take away 2 is 3. So 32.9 is the answer for the fourth problem.